So you want to earn real PayPal money playing games on the computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, but first make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so YouTube notifies you of all the latest money making tips videos. So in this video, how do you make money playing games? Well, we're going to be using a website called test.io. I'm on the website right now, okay? QA testing as a service, fast-powered QA testing for agile teams that take quality personally. All right. And they've worked with Revolve, SoundCloud, 1-800-Contacts, Lacoste, Edmunds. Okay. So you've seen at least one of these brands before. Okay. If your software teams ask you to choose two, cost, features, or quality, maybe it's time to try a new approach. Crowd testing with Test.io helps control personnel costs, make release cycles predictable, and prevent revenue sapping bugs from reaching your customers, right? They have some very prestigious, organizations behind them, okay? Now, this main page is mainly if you are a company looking to get your game or app tested. What you want to do is go over to here, become a tester. You're going to click on that, all right? Join our testing community. Become a tester. Test the latest apps, websites, and ding, ding, ding games and get paid for every issue you find. You're essentially becoming a bug tester. You play the game. If you notice any issues, you report them, and you basically will make around $50 per bug you find, okay? Earn good money. Earn up to $50 for every issue you find. Can't find any bugs? No problem. You can also be paid for rating apps, okay? Work from home. Easily work from home or from around your favorite place. Work the hours that make sense for you. This is one of the great things about this, guys. This is very flexible. You could do it before work, after work, on your breakout work. Or if you're, doing this as your main gig, do it all day, right? So I'm just making the point that it's very flexible with the hours, okay? Test the latest apps. Be the first to see the latest apps from the top companies and cool startups. That's just a cool little extra. They get to see the latest stuff coming out. So from registration to testing in 5 minutes. So you're going to go to register on tester.test.io/sign up and easily add all the devices you can test on. So that's this right here. Give you a minute to look at that, and you're going to add all your devices, okay? Then you're going to start your first test, all right? As soon as you register, you'll receive an invitation to your first test, okay? Start your first test right over there. Receive your first payout. You get paid from your first test run when you find bugs, all right? So you can make your first payout right away. Very, very nice. Get more invitations, receive more invitations based on devices you have, your interest, and your skills. Earn while you learn. And then become a testing king. Climb the ladder to test the hottest apps or participate in exclusive test runs with more opportunities. Guys, this doesn't take that long. It takes about 5 minutes. They're pretty honest there. It takes about 5 minutes. Go to the website, you register, you get set up, and you're golden. You basically can do all the tests you want. How many tests you get are going to depend on a variety of factors, such as how many devices you have, the interests you have, the skills you have, right? Certain things are going to demand better pay. Certain things are going to give you more tests to do. So definitely keep that in mind. Now, again, even though these are not all games, you could choose to just do the games, right? You might get websites, you might get apps, but most people I know watching this, if you're a hustler, you're going to take every offer you get because you're going to want to make that cold, hard cash, that PayPal cash, all right? Meet a few of your fellows. Testers who work with us come from all walks of life. Some are software developers or testers looking to hone their skills or test on new platforms. Others are just tech enthusiasts who turn their passion into cash. And some are transitioning into a new career, earning while learning. With Test.io, they work when, where, and how they want. Very, very good. How much can you earn? Most tests pay by the bug. You can earn more money for more critical bugs, up to $50 for the most important bugs. You can also earn guaranteed money by reviewing apps or completing scripted test cases, okay? How do I get paid? We pay once per month using PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, or bank transfer. So if you have a PayPal account, this is for you. What devices do I need to test? You will need access to at least a desktop computer. Beyond that, the more devices you have, the more opportunities you will have to test. Most testers have one or more mobile phones, and some have smart home devices and wearables. You don't need the latest gadget. There are plenty of tests on older phones and many great bugs to be found, all right? Ship faster, sleep better. There's a little demo right there. Yeah, this is test.io. You can get paid by finding bugs and rating games in just different video games. Now, they're going to send you websites. They're going to send you apps. But if you did just want to do the video games, that's fine as well. It's completely on your prerogative. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. It helps me out a ton, and that way the YouTube algorithm notifies you of all the latest money-making tips videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you next time. Hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you next time.